beautiful souls. Hope you're well and in good spirit. Now, I've got a little trick for you guys. Well, it's a practice that you can do to help your awareness and to stay in the present moment. So it's a good practice for mind and heart coherence. But obviously, when you go through your healing journey, you have to open your heart fully, so it's overflowing. So there's a few practices that I do, and this is one of them, right? So I find myself a nice spot in nature, okay? My beautiful doggy, he's a good boy. Find myself a lovely quiet spot, and I'm gonna put my attention on to what's around me, okay? I'm going to raise my awareness of exactly what's around me, okay? And that's all beautiful green bushes, trees, birds, it's all lovely scenery. So nature is perfect for this because of the Fibonacci, okay, the golden ratio. So our photons in our eyes are naturally drawn to everything in nature because of the golden ratio. We are nature. So naturally, our eyes are drawn to all the patterns, all the colours, all the shapes in nature, which is why they use it in advertising. They draw your eyes, okay? So, nice quiet spot in nature, and my attention is going on a log right now, okay? So this log is in front of me, and I'm going to show you guys. And what I'm going to do is focus, okay? My focus is now on this log, okay? And my focus is on that little knot there, okay? Now, I'm going to focus on that knot. I can already see a face. But I'm going to do my breath work, okay? And I'm just going to sit here for 5 minutes. Slow my breathing down. I'm going to relax. And I'm going to focus, put all my attention on this little knot, okay? I'm going to breathe through my nose for 6 seconds. I'm going to hold it for 3. And I'm going to breathe out for 9. Now this is my practice I use, 6-3-9, okay? So you're focusing, putting all your attention onto this knot. Now what this is doing is raising your awareness, and it's keeping you in the present moment, okay? I'm just going to be quiet for a few minutes and just let you relax. Look at the shape, look at the colours, look at the detail. You're going to find some thoughts, the old ego keep popping up to distract you, but keep your focus, keep your attention. Keep that slow breathing. Now feel the calmness. Now if you keep practicing this, guys, honestly, you will feel the benefits, because this helps your brain and heart coherence. And once you get that, your heart is fully open and that's when the healing starts. Okay, so give it a go, guys. See how you get on. Come back, let me know. Peace, love and light, yo. Have a blessed weekend, guys. Love you. Sorry, guys, just to add to that video, the reason that we, or I, or yous, will benefit from nature and doing the practice that I just shared is obviously high consciousness and awareness, but once you got that practice mastered, self-mastery is key. Once you master that practice, you can then put your awareness into your heart. So when you get all these thoughts rushing through your head, or you get all these emotions rushing through your body, you can then slow the breath down, okay, and put your awareness into your heart, your focus. That's how you raise your consciousness and your awareness. But you have